Guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for another unique episode where I will be reviewing your favorite tokens in the market today. That would be SLP, AXS, and Skill for Cryptoblades. Okay, so for those people who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you and expect more videos about these tokens. I'll try my best to do it every single day. Anyway, cryptocurrency market is open 24/7. So at any time I have free time, I will definitely review this. But let's get started. Okay. Um, I know you've been monitoring the chart of these tokens in the past few days, and as you notice, let's first talk about SLP. We've been declining for several days now. I'm now, let me see, let's go through the daily chart. Okay, for SLP on a daily chart, we're very near this level. This was the day when it really, I'm not sure if the reason why we're only seeing July 12th is because this is the day it went live in MAXC Global, but in TradingView, I'm able to see days prior to July 12th. Okay, but definitely, as you can see right away, I mentioned the other day that we have to be on the lookout because at any time, so we were already forming a support at this level in the past day. In my last review, I said, okay, we're sitting here, but at any time it breaks this, chances are it might even go back to this key level. But let's see, the day is not over yet. Fluctuations can still happen over here. We're not 100% safe. There could still be some more dips within the day, but definitely, if I'd say if this is it, if this is the next possible support, uh, cryptocurrencies are very volatile. It is even possible that within the day someone will dump it, and then big players or institutions will dump the token and then re-enter at a very cheap level. 0.13 is the most conservative, considering that we saw this. But overall, if you're one of the players of Axie Infinity and it's already pay out for you, my best recommendation is it's a very cheap level for you to cash out your gains, right? And Axie is getting stronger every single day. The system is, or the server is performing really, really well because I personally am playing Axie Infinity. I've been in those days when the server was too laggy and it's not performing well. And it was during this period over here, or this period over here. Now the system is way, way better and the price is right over here. So what's in it for us? It's the best time to even hold it. Hold it some more. Or if you have the budget, this is the best time you could, invest in building your own team because SLP is cheaper. Let's try check out AXS later on, and probably we'll check Ethereum as well because we use Ethereum to buy our team in Axie. But instead of you cashing out, if you're already playing this game, I'd say hold on to your SLP tokens and wait for it to bounce because I'd say it won't be long enough before we can see bounce happening. And this is not just happening in SLP. If we are to check out, let's check out the other token. Okay, let's check out AXS. See, same sentiment. Oh, AXS is different. We have a different story for AXS. See that? It's continuously climbing up. It's a good. We managed to dip here, and this is your MA20 line. So somehow it respected that support area, and this is still our support. See that? But right now, what I'm thinking is that the movement of this token will just be within this range. Okay, so if you are considering to trade this token, you can enter around 37 as it goes near 37 area, exit probably as it reaches 43. So I'm thinking it will just move within that range for now. Notice this is your support. Very uh, so it's really in line with where your MA20 line is at the moment. Always remember that when you're moving higher than the MA20 level, chances are if it dips, that will be the area where it will bounce. Okay, so we do not. Uh, I'm not very bullish as of yet that it will go break this key level. It will just go within this range for now. And let's check out our Cryptoblades skill. The other day, Cryptoblades released another item, which is the shield. And at that time when it was introduced, I'll show you this. This was the short-term bounce that we have experienced over here. This was the time. But, okay, so I was pegging at 38 the other day. And guys, the Bollinger Band, okay, so this one over here, when it is constricted, so chances are we're just moving sideways the past how many days. Actually, for every candlestick here is worth it's worth 4 hours. So the past few days, so if I go daily, shift to daily, it's not moving. Let's just stick to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, right now I'm doing the 1 hour time frame because I'm experiencing some tech issues when I transfer to 4 hours in 1 day time frame. Okay, notice our Bollinger Band at the moment it is heading downwards. Okay, the other day I said that we are currently respecting the 38 around the 38 area for our support, and this is not going to really look good at the moment because we are already showing weakness, and we've for the past what 1 to 3 hours the sentiment is on a decline, so chances are we might even experience some more breakdown in the price, but we do not have the historical data as of yet because I think they only went live here on the 22nd of July. So I really need to see previous lows for me to say and anticipate the next possible support, which is what I mentioned in the past. Your support is like your floor. So I'd say it's still undetermined up to which level where we could potentially stabilize. Okay, so this is not going to look really enticing as of the moment. So if you're holding your skill, do not release your skill, guys. You'll be at a losing end. I know most of you have entered Cryptoblades when the price was around the $100, or yeah, more than $100 in cost, and right now it's just what 30% of what you bought it. So always remember this: buy low, sell high. Anyway, if you're playing this game or you're farming this, I think there's really no rush. Not all the time we are heading downwards. I personally have witnessed our CEO, Croach. He's very active in updating not just him but the rest of the team. He's updating everybody on what's happening. If there are some bugs and uh, technical issues, they're very fast in informing everyone. So I think that's a good sign that your developers are very hands-on, and they're also streaming almost every single day, and everyone can ask questions. So they're very transparent with whatever they're doing, and there are more to come. I know there's Cryptoblades Kingdom (CBK) that whoever has already invested in Cryptoblades, can use their characters when CBK goes live. So I think there's more to come. And if you want to look at it in terms of longer perspective, now is even the best time to start accumulating skill. I have not personally used MAXC Global for my trades, but try to research this, try to check how reliable this platform is. But best is this is the best time we all gather skill. If you can buy, go ahead buy, or you farm it. You can farm it by buying more characters, or you can buy skill right away and store it in your MetaMask or in this platform. But definitely, it's a buy signal at the moment. Although, if you want to ask me specifically which area is the next possible support or the cheapest level, we cannot say as of yet. But what I can say is there's a big possibility that it could continue to give us a much lower price than 36. Price right now is $36. So we don't know. Maybe you could haggle $5 or I don't know. We don't really know because um, we don't have historical data where I can refer to. Unlike this one, right? I can right away see that this area over here around 39, 38, yeah, around that level, we had some stabilization that happened right over there. Price, when the price reaches that area, there's a bounce. So that's why I can say that is our support. But right now, if I look back into previous days, I will not be able to see it unless I go to CoinGecko. But CoinGecko only shows me a line chart, but I'll try, okay? I will try. Okay, so if I go here, okay, I go here, I change this to this one, I change this to 30 days. Let's see if I can find something else. Okay, so you got your support around this level over here. So I'm thinking if this area breaks, your next possible stop could be around this level, 1,300 level, 1,319, 1,320. So that is the next possible drop if this area over here does not hold. Okay, do you see that? Let me see. Every candlestick here means 1 day. Oh, not really. I think 3 hour interval. Yep. But that's our signal here. Obviously, see that. And this did not only happen in scale, guys. Take note of that. Almost all the uh, new tokens that go live, they have this kind of view. Even let's see, let's try to check XRP. So we have to prepare ourselves that the moment we start engaging in cryptocurrency or the market, cryptocurrency market, we will definitely experience movements like this, extreme highs and extreme lows. See that? Just in 2021, your XRP has also experienced a massive pump and then dump. The pump is just very fast, right? You also have Doge. Check that out. Doge also experienced the same. Okay, just a minute. Let's go 90K. See that? Let's go Feb. It doesn't. Anyway, you got my point, right? So skill, we are at a very cheap level right now, so it's up to you if you want to accumulate or just continue grinding. But one thing you need to know is that personally, and this is just me, and by the way, whatever I'm saying here, it's not a financial advice, and it's just my thoughts. These are just my thoughts. Please do your own research, guys. Okay. Um, But all I can say is that 1000, did I mention 1300 level is the next possible stop for pesos, right? Let me check that out in dollars. Next possible stop for skill is, wow, let's use this 30 days, around $25. That's the next possible drop. Okay, so just be mindful of that. Okay, don't release your skill as of yet. This is a cut loss level if you're going to release it. Okay, we all know that our gas fees are um, moving in a reverse direction. BNB is, I think, moving up, and our skill is going down. So definitely not wise move to see that. It's not really wise to convert this. Just hold on to your skill. DPET, I see DPET now here. Okay, DPET also experienced massive drop here. It's now down to 580. Okay, but this is a possible support, guys. Wherever it is at right now, that's a possible support. 5.65. See this? When a price touches this level, there's a bounce that's happening, and we're testing it multiple days now, fourth day already. And every time this level gets hit, and you're just moving within that range, slight overshoot down below, but still tolerable, right? It is so far respecting the 565 level. Okay, so that's it. I hope you guys, apart from you really taking the monetary side seriously, I hope you are still enjoying the games that I've mentioned. I personally am still enjoying Cryptoblades, Axie Infinity. I also have MyDefiPet, but because there's no game as of yet, so my my four pets are just there sitting and mining some coins that I cannot convert as of yet. I don't know when they're going live, but I hope they go live soon so we can have the returns of our investment there. Okay, in the meantime, guys, thank you for watching and catch my next video. If you're also into the stock market, I will record another video for that. Okay, bye bye for now.